Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Moulton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this sales car. We've just finished preparing. It's a 1995 Jaguar XJS Celebration 4-litre 6-cylinder convertible in sapphire blue with oatmeal leather. And it's absolutely amazing. I'll do a walk round first so you can see it and appreciate it. It's got to be one of the best colours on these XJS's is sapphire blue. As you can see, it's got the full chrome 5-spoke wheels. But we'll just have a quick whip round first and then we'll go into a few more details. Hopefully you can see clearly on the video how mint this car is. We have got it running at the moment. It's done 44,000 miles from new. As you can see, absolutely immaculate. Soon get dusty out here. Give it a quick dust. God, they're only out here for seconds and they get dusty. It'll be going back into the showroom in a minute. Right. The guy who's owned this car came from a Jaguar collector, and the guy who owned it has had it for a long time. I think, if memory serves me, around about 15 years. It's been his pride and joy. He's taken it to many Jaguar club events, shows, and even abroad on Jaguar events. Now, it's got matching Pirelli tyres all the way around. As you'll be able to see, it's a full final facelift edition. These cars are some of the last XJS's ever produced. It's all original. It's even got the fog light covers on the front there, proper Jaguar fog light covers. It comes with a tonneau cover, XJS wind deflector, which is in my workshop. It'll go with that. We've got the hood down so we can show you a bit better, but if you want to see what the hood looks like, you'll have to go on our Facebook business page and sift through the pictures, or you can go on our website. We have taken loads of pictures of the roof. The roof is immaculate. It's got a proper heated glass back window in it as well, which is immaculate. It's just that we've got this car now ready to sit in our showroom, and this is how it's going to be. No scuffs on bumpers, no dents, no scuffs, no scratches. Windscreen's absolutely immaculate, no damage to the windscreen. Wheels are absolutely immaculate chrome, original Jaguar wheels. See, the tonneau cover's absolutely mint. It's got the original twin coach lines down it. It's got the rear boot spoiler, which is a proper Jaguar boot spoiler. Like I say, it is a 4-litre, as you can see from our show plates. They look absolutely beautiful, really elegant. Time has been really kind to these cars, especially these later ones. They look absolutely mint. Right, let's have a quick look inside. There you go, all oatmeal leather. All the veneers are mint. No cracks, no damage in the seat and the centre console ski slope there. It's got air conditioning which works ice cold. The electric roof works perfectly. The electric seats work perfectly. The central locking works perfectly. Electric mirrors work perfectly. As you can see, it's got the contrasting stitching on the seats. Absolutely beautiful, this car. Really is absolutely beautiful. This car is one of the cars to buy if you want to collect cars, because this will just grow money. It's the right model, the right colour, the right specification. We have machine polished it to an inch of its life. We've also ceramic coated it, so it's all ready to go to the shows. This is a show car. This is definitely a show car. It wouldn't embarrass you at any Jaguar event, any Jaguar show. It's absolutely mint. I'll show you in the boot. As you can see, it's got CD stacker. It's got an isolator that somebody's put on. It's got a full-size chrome spare with a brand new tyre on, absolutely mint. It's got the cover for the bag for the tonneau cover, and it's got a full Jaguar toolkit. The jack and wheel brace and everything is in the proper XJS carpet bag, and it's just behind there. But yeah, absolutely mint. All the door apertures, boot aperture, they're all absolutely outstanding. Glass is not scratched anywhere. Of course, you've got the Celebration seats with the embossed leapers in the headrests. It's got just turned 44,000 miles, and it's been running out here for about half an hour. It's running absolutely perfect. As you can hear, it's just like a sewing machine. Half wood leather wheel. It's got sports function on the gearbox. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, remote central locking. It's got obviously electric seats on both sides, premium sound system. But yeah, what a car. What a car. We've had a few XJS celebrations over the years. We haven't had one in this colour, but we have had a few celebration models, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. They're the one to have, aren't they? Let's face it, they're the one to have. We're very privileged to have this car. They're just so rare now, especially in this colour and this condition. We've been underneath the car and fully inspected it. It's absolutely fantastic underneath, like you would expect, like the top is. It's been very, very well looked after. On our business Facebook page, we will be putting loads of pictures on there. I think there's about 70 pictures to go on, and some of those pictures will include the pictures of the service history and everything that we got with it, handbook packs, all the keys, bits and pieces, so keep an eye out for those. But like I say, the roof is absolutely perfect. No rips, no tears, no damage, no creases in it. Absolutely brilliant. It's just like brand new. This car's always been garaged. It's just been MOT'd recently with no advisories, so it'll go out with that MOT it's got. It's not long since had a service. There's nothing to do with this car. It's literally just to drive and enjoy for the rest of the summer, and then put it away, hibernate it for the winter, and then bring it out next summer and enjoy it for the full spring and full summer. But yeah, what a car. Absolutely gorgeous car. It'll sell itself. The car itself is priced at $36,995. I dare say it's probably one of the best you'll ever find. The first person to see this car who is in the mood to buy an XJS will just buy it outright instantly, because where do you get one as mint as that in the right colour combination? We've been waiting a long time for this car to come along from the Jaguar collector. In the end, he did decide that he wants to part company with it, because he's got so many cars, and I think it took a bit of getting his head round to get rid of this one, because he's had it for so long and he's loved that car. He's loved the car. As you can see, it's a really special car. I'll give you a quick peep underneath the bonnet. Every time I touch it, I put a finger mark on it. We've not steam cleaned it, we've just detailed it by hand. We don't steam clean engines. We've just gone round and cleaned it all by hand. And there it is. AJ16 engine, 4 litre, running absolutely perfectly. But yeah, what a car. If you've got any questions, or you would like to book an appointment to see it, then please give us a call on 07759 938 395, or you can email us at sales@themoltonmotorcompany.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it helps, and you'll get notified when we upload other videos. Also, please like and share and follow us on our business Facebook page. Again, we can put more photographs on there, bigger descriptions than we can on our website. And then obviously keep a check on our website. More videos and more cars coming along very soon. Thanks for watching.